If you need to insert an image into AutoCAD, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to place a JPG or PNG image into your drawing step by step. This is super useful if you want to add a reference image, a logo, a scanned sketch, or any visual guide directly into your AutoCAD file. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple AutoCAD tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the drawing you want to work on in AutoCAD. Make sure the correct project is loaded before you begin, so you can place the image in the right location from the start. Once your drawing is open, look at the top ribbon and go to the Insert tab. This is where AutoCAD keeps tools for bringing external content into your file. After you click Insert, find the Attach option and click it. This opens the file browser where you can choose the image you want to bring into your drawing. Now select your image file. AutoCAD supports common image formats like JPG and PNG, so choose the picture you want to insert and then click Open. After that, AutoCAD will ask you to define how the image should be placed. You'll see options for insertion point, scale, and rotation. These settings control exactly where the image appears, how large it is, and what angle it will use in the drawing. If you want to place it manually, you can leave the values ready and confirm them, then adjust directly in the drawing area. When everything looks good, click OK. Then go down into the drawing area and click where you want the image to appear. That click sets the insertion point and places the image onto your AutoCAD canvas. From there, you can move, resize, or rotate it later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully inserted an image into AutoCAD. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when working with references or design layouts. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.